Hi, this is our Seek and Search video. This is KARL-JAMES Langford at Stuart Wilson's excavations at Treleck. Archaeology company takes part in the excavations here, and we've got our pottery washer working on some wonderful artifacts today, and we've got another piece of this wonderful medieval ridge tile, and we're looking at some Saltogne ware from France, and we're looking at about the 1300s, which ties in nicely. But this, and much later, it's probably from about the 1500s. So after the site's best days had come and gone. And very unusual object today, which is this, which has got a bit of a rivet there. Need to work out what this one is. So, and freshly found, excavated. Actually, I fancy this is about between the 1200s and the 1250s when this site was being founded. So, very interesting artefact, medieval local courseware. So as we sort of go on to the excavators site, we're slowly trying to cut back some of this growth that's built up over the period of the pandemic. We're doing sieving over there. We've got a nice little team from archaeology company with us today, excavating on site. So as we sort of go over to here, they're excavating on a possible extension of this wall here, and we've got several individuals here who've undertaken degrees or programs at university. And what we've got here is we've got the tops of a load of rubble, probably from that wall heading on, and looking over here, looking into the trench as well. And what we're doing is a bit of a sontage at the end, back of the excavation. If you want to move your legs, John. It looks like we've got a little bit of a feature coming up here as well, part of a boundary wall. So this is looking really good that we've got an extension, and various interesting features. So we've got this alignment here running in here, and nice bit of a tile. All this is stacked up, the slag here, tile. So we'll be here in another 2 weeks time, and it'll be a Sunday in 2 weeks. It's the 2nd of August today. So this is KARL-JAMES Langford, Seek and Search, funded by Barvo. Thank you very much.